Ang academic discussion po natin for today is fundamental laws of the land, effect and application laws. After the publication of law within 15 days shall take effect. Ibig sabihin po, ang batas po raw na nagawa within 15 days, kailangan ipatupad. Ito po yung nakalagay po sa Civil Code of the Philippines. Kailangan po ipatupad yung batas na nagawa. And when we spoke about the inaction of the president for signing the proposed bill within 30 days, the bill shall become a law. Sa local government naman po, the same as the local government, after the approval of the legislative department, the executive must enforce the said ordinance or resolution within 10 days after the approval of the legislative and posting of the said ordinance in a conspicuous places. Yun po. Lisensya mo. Within 10 days po yun. Kailangan ipatupad sa local government. Failure to enforce duties, responsibilities or obligation of the executive shall be dealt with law. The enforcement of the laws, ordinances shall consider as negligence on the part of the executive and shall be dealt with law. Like, share, and subscribe.